Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Ross with SiteRight, and today we're going to be talking about the website builder and website customization. So the benefit of using SiteRight to host, create, build, and manage your website is the ability to use one of our customized templates that you can change and edit to match the aesthetic of your business with your logos, your colors, and your copy. So for instance, if you go into your websites tab under sites, websites, and you click new website button, you won't be able to see this template library. Where you're going to see this template library is in the left-hand column of your dashboard under templates. If you click into this templates section, you'll be able to see all of the templates that we provide for SiteRight clients. So if you're a SiteRight member and you would like one of these templates, all you have to do is ask your account manager, and they can simply drop this or any of these into your account, and then you can begin customizing it, and then our dev team can come in and help make any major changes that you might need help with. So let's say, for instance, like you're a barber, and you'd like to you want to make a website for your barber, wherever the barber one is. Shoot, friendly barber, there it is. So let's say you want to make a website for your salon or your barber. We can simply drop this template into your account, and then you can then go into sites and websites and click into the barber template that the account manager has dropped into your account, and then you can begin editing the website. So again, websites are more of a, if you think about it from like a macro point of view, are more horizontally built. So you can add as many different pages that you'd like, and customers can go in any direction and click on any pages that they would like a normal website. If you'd like to go in and edit a page, all you have to do is click into one of the text box, and you will see the drag and drop no code website builder. So the best part about this is you can simply drag and drop elements, or if you need to change elements, you can simply select the element that you'd like to change, and then in the left-hand column will be where you can change all the different settings for the element that has been selected in the main view. The website builder is the same. It's the same website builder as the funnel. It's the funnel builder, and very similar to the email template builder as well. So once you get a hang of how things are kind of organized, it'll be very easy to kind of come in here and customize things as you'd like. So for instance, the general layout of how the website builder works is it's structured in kind of like a top-down view. So if we look at these different, as the mouse hovers over all these different elements, you can see that things are being selected in different colors. And this is kind of how the website builder works. So let's say we want to add a new section. So sections are green. Then you have rows, which are blue, and then you have elements, which are purple, and the elements the elements that are contained in the purple are orange. And so, what does all that mean? Well, it's basically just a way to kind of organize how the builder works. So if we want to add a new section, we can click the green button there, select the size of the section, and then inside the section, we can click Add Row. And we have the option to add multiple different types of rows. So for instance, if we just want one element across the entire width of the page, we would select one column. If we want to do something like this, where there's 4 elements across, then we would select 4 column. And then you can see that there's 4 different spots that you can then add stuff. So if we wanted to make something similar to this, we would then want to add a picture as an element. So if we click Add Element, it's going to bring up the element selector, and we can click in Add Element or Add Image. To update what image this is, if you select the image template or the element that you just added, in the left-hand column will be where you can change all of the settings. Images are a little tricky. And I go over this in more detail in the funnel builder video, which I'll link above. But so in order to change this information, what you have to do is it uses links. So for images. So if you select the element here and then you go in and you want to change the image, you have to add the correct link to the image that's in your media library. So SiteRight has a media library that can contain all of your photos and your elements and your products for digital. Anything digital will be hosted in this media library. So to open up that media library, you can click this button right here, and this will bring you to the media library section where you can then upload all of your images via this button right here. Or if you already have something uploaded, you can select an image by selecting it or double clicking it, and it will automatically drop the image into that section right there. Alternatively, if you wanted to select that image, you could then select the link option and copy the link, then go back to this page, and then you could paste in the link, and then that will drop the image in there. And then if you wanted to change the size of the image, you could come in here and change the size. If you wanted to make it bigger or smaller based on where that image is on the page, you can do that here. Pretty straightforward in terms of like how the builder works. Like, oh, if you want a little bit of padding up here, you can, above the image, you can move this slider. If you want some below, then you can move this slider. If you're confused at all by any of this, like, we will do it all for you. So just contact your account manager, set up an onboarding call, and walk us through exactly kind of what you're looking for. And then our devs will just build it all out for you. And then we can provide that kind of base layer so that you can then go in and be like, maybe actually instead of this image, I want to change it and, and make it this image or something like that. And that becomes a lot easier once the general layout of your site is already in place. So to kind of recap here, and there's a lot more that kind of goes into this, but the best way to kind of get used to this and learn it is to just kind of mess around and kind of click around in things and figure out kind of like, okay, if I click this and I scroll this left-hand column right here, okay, color, I can change the color to red. And it looks like this might be bolded. Yep, so it's bolded. So if I go in here and I change bold color to red, and there it goes, it changes red. And that's generally how I even view development to this day, is like, click this, change something here, see what happens, and then if I like it, keep the change. If I don't, then I'll move it back. And that's generally how I'll find kind of a happy medium between using a template and then customizing it to my liking for whatever business that I'm making a website for. So the benefit of using these templates, I can't understate enough. In order to get started right away, we can build out one of these custom templates for you, or you can go in and customize it as much as you'd like and add as many different pages as you'd like yourself. Or if you'd like something completely custom, we can also build that out for you as well. So kind of depending on what you're looking for, we can find the right solution for your business. That way it's easy for you to make any simple changes that you'd like in the future, and make any updates that you'd like in the future without having to, deal with a developer or wait for someone to make changes and get back to you. So one of the things that kind of the last thing I'll leave with this before we move on to the next video, where we're going to discuss the difference between websites and funnels, is adding a domain. So this will be in the settings tab, but to add a domain to a specific website, it's going to be in the settings tab under domain. Once you've added a domain, in that dropdown, you'll be able to see exactly which domains you've added. So under settings, under domains, you can click add new domain, and then that will add this domain to your SiteRight, to the software. And then once you're in the website settings, then this drop down, and then you can select which website domain you want to be attributed to this website. And then all of the associated pages that already have their page name and URL slug in the path will be automatically updated based on the domain that you add in the settings tab. So that's a quick overview of websites. To recap, just make sure you check out this templates tab in your dashboard. And if you like any of the templates that are featured here, just reach out to your account manager and we'll drop them into your account complimentary today. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.